Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make come on Milo. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious yellow curry. This recipe is so easy and delicious. You're going to want to make it every week for its ease and simplicity and its delicious exotic flavor. Oh, and it literally only requires 4 ingredients. That's right. So let's make some curry. Start by adding about 2 tablespoons of creamy almond butter to a heated pan. And you can use cashew butter as well, but I just wouldn't use a nut butter that's too strong or too overpowering. So just spread it around a little. And then add in some coconut milk. And just whisk it around until it's nice and blended together. And then add in some yellow curry powder. And I like to make my own, but you can buy it pre-mixed just about anywhere. And I'm gonna add in a little more, or a lot. And there we go, that's the color I'm looking for. So now give it a little taste test. And then I'm adding in a few shakes of my favorite stevia powder because I like my curry pretty sweet. And just mix it in nice and well. And give it another taste test. And perfect. Now I can add in my steamed veggies. And I've got some steamed carrots and potatoes and some peas. And then I'll just stir it together so all the vegetables are nicely coated with the curry sauce. And this smells amazing. And now I can plate this, and I've got some prepared jasmine rice back here on the stove. And then I'll add in my delicious yellow curried vegetables. And I also have some pan-fried tofu off to the side here. I prepared this tofu with a little gluten-free flour, cornstarch, white pepper, and sea salt. It's the ChatGPT recipe that I found. It's really good. It's my new favorite way to make tofu. So now I'll just pour some curry sauce over the tofu. And I'll garnish with some fresh cut cilantro. And voila! Looks and smells amazing. And the taste is, oh my gosh, it's smoky, sweet, and spicy. And such a beautifully colored and enticing dish. I feel like I'm making art here. You have to make this yellow curry. It's so easy and delicious. So subscribe to the channel for more fresh recipes like this one. And let me know what you think of this quick curry hack in the comments below. Have you tried yellow curry before? Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.